Hello, my birdie friends. Welcome to a video about the brown-headed nuthatch. Nuthatches are remarkable for their unique behaviors, strong family bonds, and adaptability to their woodland environments. Their headfirst descent down trees, intricate nesting habits, and resourceful foraging techniques are just a few of the qualities that make these birds a subject of endless fascination and admiration. Nuthatches are resident birds, meaning most species do not migrate and stay in their territory year-round. They stay close to where they hatch, usually traveling only a mile, preferring the warmth and safety of known surroundings. Nuthatches eat mostly insects, nuts, and seeds. They forage for insects hidden in or under bark by climbing along tree trunks and branches, sometimes hanging upside down. They are known for using pieces of bark as tools to pry up other bark in search of insects. The brown-headed nuthatch is known for its distinctive vocalizations, primarily a high-pitched rubber duck-like squeaky sound. Additionally, they produce a variety of other vocalizations, including softer contact calls and alarm calls. They are particularly loud for a bird of their size, making them easily recognizable. In this clip, a beautiful female goldfinch joins this nuthatch. Both nuthatches and finches are part of the Sitta family, which includes small birds characterized by large heads, short tails, and powerful bills and feet. At bird feeders, nuthatches may employ aggressive tactics to secure food, chasing away other birds or attempting to intimidate larger ones. Nuthatches are social birds that are often seen in small flocks of 3 to 10 individuals. They often work together, taking care of young in a single nest. Recent studies suggest that some of these helper adults might actually have their own nests nearby. In winter, they may join mixed foraging flocks with other birds like chickadees and woodpeckers. Woodpeckers excavate to find insects while nuthatches search bark crevices for them. This nuthatch was joined by a house finch. Nuthatches and house finches share similar nesting habits. Nuthatches are known to nest in cavities and may use birdhouses. House finches are attracted to birdhouses for their nesting sites, and both species can benefit from birdhouses, especially houses that are designed to accommodate their individual nesting habits while also being predator-proof. Nuthatches exhibit a unique nesting behavior. They use mud to plaster the entrance and narrow the opening to provide protection against predators. The white-breasted nuthatch cleverly crushes blister beetles, likewise applying them. The smell keeps squirrels seeking a tree cavity away. I want to thank you for watching and ask you to stick around till the end. I have a little surprise in store. The name nuthatch is derived from an Old English word meaning nut hacker, referring to their habit of hacking at nuts to open them. This behavior is not limited to nuts. Nuthatches also wedge insects and other food items to tear them apart or store them for future consumption. The nuthatch's clever foraging behavior can be seen as a symbol of ingenuity and resourcefulness. Because they consume insects, they are often considered to be a gardener's friend. During the breeding season, insects become a more significant part of their diet as they provide the necessary protein for raising their young. Nuthatches have strong zygodactyl feet, meaning 2 toes point forward and 2 backward, allowing them to grip tree trunks. They also have a hook-like toe that helps them secure their grip on irregularities in the bark, enabling them to climb both up and down trees with ease. This clip is interesting to me. Notice how this nuthatch turns his little head to look down and see what seed choices he has. Nuthatches play a vital role in the ecosystem by controlling insect populations. They also help to disperse seeds as they often cache nuts and seeds in various locations, and some of these seeds germinate and grow into new plants. Their presence contributes to the overall health and biodiversity of the forest and garden environments they inhabit. Nuthatches are known to stash seeds and nuts in tree bark for later use. It looks like this is what this little guy is doing here, and he does not care to share. To attract nuthatches to your yard, you can provide a variety of resources that meet their needs. This includes offering a supply of nuts and seeds in bird feeders, planting trees that provide suitable nesting cavities, providing a source of water for drinking and bathing, avoid the use of pesticides that can harm them and their food sources, and leaving dead trees or snags standing if they don't pose a safety hazard, as these can provide nesting sites. I added this clip to show a beautiful orchard oriole. The orchard oriole is the smallest of the New World orioles, averaging only about 7 inches long. I don't know about you, but this is the first time I've ever seen an orchard oriole. I think they're quite stunning. Okay, this is our last clip of the brown-headed nuthatch. Stay tuned for your surprise.